Hello friends, welcome to Kickstart Instrumentation. Part 3 video, you learned dry leg calculation and instrument setting procedure. Now in part 4 video, you are going to learn the concept of wet leg calculation and instrument setting procedure. This will be more or less similar to that of dry leg calculation with slight changes. Still, make sure to follow all the steps to be clear in the concept. If you missed all 3 parts, please go back and watch them for better understanding. The link is given in the description below. Now, the question is, what is wet leg? There is a process medium whose level needs to be measured. We know that in the closed tank, process medium will be vaporized due to continuous change in atmospheric temperature. The vaporized process medium will either be evaporated or condensed to its original state. Let us take water as process medium. We know that water will be condensed. If water is condensed and if the tank is full, that is 100%, then the low pressure side of stainless steel tube will be filled with water. Thus, the pressure acting on low pressure side of instrument will be changed suddenly. This will not give exact level measurement. Thus, we will fill the low pressure side with water at all times even though the tank is not full. This is called wet leg. If you want to know more, please check the article in my blog. The link is given in the description. After position 0 adjustment, this is the state of the tank. Let us fill the low pressure side stainless steel tube with water manually. Let us open the tank input valve and fill the tank with water till the low pressure stainless steel tube is filled with water. Once it is filled, let us close the input valve and open the drain valve of the tank. Close the drain valve when water reaches high pressure tapping point. Now we see that the low pressure side stainless steel tube is filled with water. Let us see the description here. HP high pressure valve, LP low pressure valve, H1 height between high pressure and low pressure tapping points, H2 height between differential pressure transmitter and high pressure tapping point, H3 height between differential pressure transmitter and low pressure tapping point, SG1 specific gravity of process medium, that is water, SG2 specific gravity of process medium at vaporized state, that is process gas. We have to measure LRV and URV, which is lower range value and upper range value. LRV calculated assuming when there is no water between high pressure tapping point and low pressure tapping point. URV calculated assuming when there is water between high pressure tapping point and low pressure tapping point. You may have a doubt why we need to assume. Yes, we are going to do calculation for which we need not to fill and empty the tank. Assumption is more than enough. Before we start the calculation, let us understand the tank in detail. We take level 0% at high pressure tapping point. Below this 0%, water will always be there. We take 100% at low pressure tapping point. To calculate LRV, we see from level 0% to 100% process gas is present. So, both pressure of water as well as pressure of process gas will act on high pressure side of differential pressure transmitter through high pressure valve and stainless steel tube. Only pressure of water will act on low pressure side of differential pressure transmitter. Height 1 is filled with process gas, so we will take the specific gravity of process gas. Height 2 and height 3 are filled with water, so we will take the specific gravity of water. The specific gravity of water is 1, that is Sg1, and the specific gravity of process gas is 0, that is Sg2. Now we will do the calculation. LRV is equal to Hp minus Lp. At high pressure, both water and process gas are acting. So Hp is equal to H1 into specific gravity of process gas Sg2 plus H2 into specific gravity of water Sg1 equal to 55 into 0 plus 25 into 1 equal to 0 plus 25 equal to 25. At low pressure, only water is acting. So low pressure is equal to H3 into specific gravity of water Sg1 equal to 80 into 1, which is equal to 80. LRV is equal to Hp minus Lp, which is equal to 25 minus 80 equal to minus 55 mmWc. mmWc is millimeters water column. To calculate URV, we see from level 0% to level 100% water is present. So only pressure of water will act on high pressure side of differential pressure transmitter through high pressure valve and stainless steel tube. Same, only pressure of water will act on low pressure side of differential pressure transmitter through low pressure valve and stainless steel tube. Height 1, height 2 and height 3 are filled with water, so we will take the specific gravity of water. The specific gravity of water is 1, that is Sg1. Now we will do the calculation. URV is equal to Hp minus Lp. At high pressure, only water is acting. So Hp is equal to H1 into specific gravity of water Sg1 plus H2 into specific gravity of water Sg1, which is equal to 55 into 1 plus 25 into 1, which is equal to 55 plus 25 equal to 80. At low pressure, only water is acting. So Lp is equal to H3 into Sg1. H3 is 80 into 1 equal to 80. URV is equal to Hp minus Lp. Hp is 80 minus Lp is 80, which is equal to 0 mmWc. mmWc is millimeters water column. Difference in the range, which is equal to URV minus LRV. URV is equal to 0 minus LRV is equal to minus 55, which is equal to 55 mmWc. Now we have calculated LRV and URV for wet leg. These values need to be fed into the instrument so as to get the exact level of the closed tank using differential pressure transmitter. I have taken E&H DPT for explaining. Same procedure with small changes will be applied for other makes. We can use their data sheets for better output. Calibration can be done in two methods, one by entering the pressure value and the other by entering the height. We are going to enter the height. To do is what we are going to set in the differential pressure transmitter. Actual path selection is the path that you have to follow to do the setup in differential pressure transmitter. First, select measuring mode to level. Menu path. Search for setup and press enter. Search for measuring mode and press enter. Search for level and press enter. Second, select pressure engineering unit to millibar. Menu path. Search for setup and press enter. Search for pressure engineering unit and press enter. Search for millibar and press enter. Third, select level mode to in height. Menu path, search for setup and press enter. Search for extended setup and press enter. Search for level and press enter. Search for level selection and press enter. Search for in height and press enter. Fourth, select level unit to liter. Menu path, search for setup and press enter. Search for extended setup and press enter. Search for level and press enter. Search for unit before lin and press enter. Search for L and press enter. Fifth, select level height unit to meter. Menu path, search for setup and press enter. Search for extended setup and press enter. Search for level and press enter. Search for height unit and press enter. Search for M and press enter. 6. Select calibration mode to width. Menu path, search for setup and press enter. Search for extended setup and press enter. Search for level and press enter. Search for calibration mode and press enter. Search for width and press enter. 7th, select the LRV settings and set the LRV value. Menu path, search for group selection and press enter. Search for operating menu and press enter. Search for settings and press enter. Search for basic setup and press enter. Search for set LRV and set -55 mmWc. 8th, select the URV settings and set the URV value. Menu path, search for group selection and press enter. Search for operating menu and press enter. Search for settings and press enter. Search for basic setup and press enter. Search for set URV and set 0 mmWc. Finally, measuring range for this tank is set and the same will be transmitted to PLC as 4 to 20 milliamps. Thank you friends for watching this video. We completed all 4 parts videos of level measurement using differential pressure transmitter. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. See you. Bye bye.